Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Samsung phone to Google TV or Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Enable Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, you can use mobile hotspot as well. So first we need to connect TV to Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. That is the step 1. Let me go to step 2. Step 2. In mobile, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network 2024. So we have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi router or same mobile hotspot. After this, we have to open Google Play Store. Tap on this Play Store icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with Google account. I have already logged in. Tap on this devices tab. Here you can see Google TV. This is the name of the TV which I am using. This means this mobile phone has detected Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this TV name. Tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Done. See, screen mirroring is working. So this way we can connect Samsung phone to Google TV or Android TV. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again open this Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.